Wala yan. This one. 1984? How you know? Hmm. This one kind of basket made of wire. This somebody make this one there? Yeah, by manual to make this one. And yesterday, my husband he uh, cleaned this one by this grass cutter machine. Now it's already clean, and this grasses must be burned, so it's already clean now. And today is 29 days of Ramadan, and today is April 9. Ayan silang ga. And today is April 9, and today is Tuesday. So bukas there is Eid tomorrow in Saudi. Inshallah, advance there is Eid tomorrow in Saudi, because uh, the advance there is Ramadan one day. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Today's 30 Ramadan in Saudi. So tomorrow inshallah there is Eid there, and for us also, maybe together there, maybe together here also, Pakistan and ano. Eh? Yeah, inshallah. So, and also Philippines, I think. Philippines. Yeah, yeah. Inshallah. So, advance Eid Mubarak to all Muslims around the world. So, ayan o, very clean na. Ayan. Ayan sila kay. Ha? Yeah. Langga everything he threw her down. What is silangga ang ano nagtatapon dito ng kung ano-ano kaya madumi. Ayan o. And very nice weather also today. Huh? Very nice weather. Oh. It's sunny now because it's still spring, but still spring by this time, by this month. So next month is summer. But even summer here is weather is okay, alhamdulillah. You cannot feel hot. We are not using air condition or electric fan. It's just only natural air. Ayan o, mahangin-hangin o kaya ayun si langga. O. Yan yung duty na langga, palabas, pasok. Yan. This grass is no need to cut by machine, by grass cutter machine, because it's still not big, these grasses. But over there, it's already cut. Yan, hanggang doon. So dito, hindi na, no need na. Maybe after 1 month, then we can cut this one here. Ayan. Kasi katutubo pa lang itong mga grasses na ito. Kasi pag autumn at saka winter, nakakalbo ito lahat, nagiging dry. So ayan, katutubo lang, kaya makikita nyo na hindi pa masyado occupied yung mga dito. Ayan. Nakikita nyo yung mga kalat-kalat na ganito. Yan, kalat nilangga lahat. Ito lahat. Kinukuha niya dito. Yan, tapos pinuputol-putol niya. Kaya yan, oh. Iniisa kong pinupulot, ganyan. Yan ang trabaho nilangga, oh. Ayan. Ayan, oh, kaya ang kalat. Ito yung aking trabaho din. Sa isang araw siguro ilang beses akong mamulot o kaya walisin ito. Grabe oh, kapupulot ko lang, ayan na naman. Yung doon sa binan ko doon sa baba, 2 to 3 days yata yung in-upload kong video na sila kay ay nag-cutting grasses doon sa yung gamit yung machine. Kaya yun. Kaya pag autumn at saka winter talaga, nakakalbo ito oh. Pero ngayon oh, may mga dahon na oh, malalaki na yung dahon. Kasi spring pa naman ngayon, next month ay summer. So ito lahat magiging green ito lahat. Yung mga bahay-bahay diyan di mo makikita kasi ma-covered na ng mga ano, dahon-dahon. Yan, iba't ibang klase ng puno na mga dahon-dahon, may mga prutas, plums, apricots, mga puno. Yan, except yung mga pine trees, hindi yan ano na dagda-dry. Remain lang yan siya na ano na ganyan.